Why do some donuts taste like bread while others are airy clouds? The secret lies in the biological magic of yeast, which transforms simple ingredients into a golden masterpiece. Unlike quick breads that rely on baking powder for rise, fluffy yeast donuts depend on a living organism called Saccharomyces, Cerevisiae, to create their signature airiness. When you mix the dough and let it rest, the yeast consumes sugars and releases carbon dioxide gas, which gets trapped in elastic gluten strands to form thousands of tiny bubbles. This fermentation process is crucial. Without the proper rising time, you won't get that light, airy interior, resulting instead in a dense texture similar to a cracker. The true test of quality happens at frying. The dough hits hot oil and expands rapidly, cooking instantly into a soft, moist center with a perfectly crisp exterior. Once fried to golden perfection, dunking these treats in a rich vanilla glaze enhances the flavor without weighing down the delicate structure created by the yeast. A perfect batch delivers a tender interior with no greasy finish, proving that patience and biology are the ultimate shortcuts to the best fried donuts. Now you know how yeast creates those fluffy clouds in every bite. What is your favorite way to enjoy a homemade donut? Let us know in the comments below.